Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to create Wi-Fi network adapter report on Windows 11. So firstly guys, you have to click on start and then type CMD. Now right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Now guys, I will give command line in description, so copy and paste here. Net sh space wlan space show space wlan report, then press enter. Now guys, copy this line, so select it. Now press Ctrl C. Now open any web browser and paste here by pressing Ctrl V, then press enter. So here guys, you will see your Wi-Fi report using your command line. So hopefully guys, you like this video. By the simple and easy steps, we can know how to view and check and create Wi-Fi network adapter report on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.